Let's pretend that this is the document that you need to PDF and submit to Canvas. When you're completed with your document, you're going to come to File, click on Download, and hover over it, and then select PDF document. Click on that, and the document will download as a PDF to wherever you have designated it to download. Once you've downloaded it to a PDF, you're going to go to the assignment in Canvas that you need to submit it to. Let's pretend that this is the assignment. You would click on Start Assignment. You would come down to the bottom and you would go to make sure you're in File Upload and click Choose File and find the document that you've downloaded. I'm going to go to my download folder, and here is the document that I just downloaded. I'm going to click it, and then I'll see it pop up here with the title of it so that you can ensure that it's the right one. Once you've done that, you just click the red button that says Submit Assignment, and you should see a little confetti coming down. I hope that helps.